A growing body of evidence continues to show that what we eat profoundly impacts not just our physical health, but also our cognitive performance. And a recent study adds yet another compelling piece to that puzzle. This time, the spotlight is on the humble walnut. In a study led by researchers at the University of Reading and featuring contributions from Dr. Adrian White, now at the University of Winchester, scientists have found that eating a walnut-rich breakfast can significantly improve memory and reaction times. These findings not only reinforce the idea of walnuts as a bona fide brain food, but also open the door to practical, everyday strategies for enhancing mental sharpness through diet. The study, published in Food and Function, explored the effects of incorporating 50 grams of walnuts, about a handful, into a breakfast consisting of muesli and yogurt. The results were striking. Participants who consumed the walnut breakfast showed noticeably faster reaction times and improved memory compared to those who ate a calorie-matched alternative without walnuts. Brain activity was carefully monitored using EEG, electroencephalogram, CAPS, and the effects were measured at several points throughout the day. These weren't fleeting benefits. The cognitive boost from walnuts appeared to persist for hours after eating, which is an exciting finding for anyone looking to enhance focus and mental clarity over the course of a demanding day. What makes walnuts so special isn't just that they're packed with nutrients, but that they offer a unique and potent combination of brain-supporting compounds that appear to work in harmony. Dr. White explains that walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, proteins/peptides, and flavonoids, each of which is known independently to support cognitive function. But in walnuts, these compounds don't just coexist. They seem to interact in a synergistic fashion, amplifying each other's benefits. The proteins may help regulate the absorption of the omega-3s, which in turn enhance the body's uptake of flavonoids. This dynamic biochemical teamwork could be what makes walnuts especially powerful when it comes to brain health. There's something both comforting and exciting about the idea that a simple, accessible food like walnuts could deliver such meaningful cognitive benefits. This isn't a high-tech supplement or a pharmaceutical solution with a long list of side effects. It's just a natural, whole food that's easy to incorporate into everyday meals. Whether stirred into a morning bowl of oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or simply eaten as a snack, walnuts offer a nutrient-dense option that delivers more than just energy. They nourish the mind in ways we are only beginning to fully understand. The age group tested in this particular study ranged from 18 to 30, but the implications may extend well beyond young adults. Memory and mental agility are important at every stage of life, and this research adds momentum to the idea that brain health is something we can nurture every day through simple dietary choices. As we learn more about neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and grow, it becomes increasingly clear that our mental sharpness is not fixed, but rather influenced by lifestyle factors we can control. Moreover, this research also encourages a more holistic view of breakfast as an opportunity to support mental performance, not just to satisfy hunger. The traditional focus on high-carbohydrate breakfasts may be due for a shift. By prioritizing foods like walnuts that provide lasting, brain-focused fuel, we might rethink how we prepare ourselves for the intellectual challenges of the day ahead. Students, professionals, creatives, and anyone else looking for a cognitive edge might find real value in making walnuts a breakfast staple. Dr. White, who is now studying the cognitive effects of cocoa, points out that walnuts are not the only food offering these kinds of benefits. Other nutrient-rich options, like blueberries and dark chocolate, contain compounds that enhance brain performance. But the unique blend of nutrients in walnuts sets them apart, offering a multi-pronged approach to brain health that is both scientifically promising and highly practical. In a world where mental fatigue, distraction, and information overload are constant challenges, any natural tool that supports better brain function is worth celebrating. Walnuts may not be a magic bullet, but they represent a powerful, everyday ally in maintaining cognitive wellness. With continued research and growing public awareness, this simple nut might just become one of the most valuable ingredients in our dietary toolkit, not just for heart health, but for clear thinking, fast reactions, and a better memory, one breakfast at a time.